Hey, welcome back to ABC Hosting. I'm Nat, and today we're diving into a topic that many people are curious about, but often feel shy to ask: how to make money with an adult website. Yes, you heard that right. If you've ever thought about starting your own adult content website and turning it into a profitable business, then this video is for you. We're going to break down all the proven methods, step by step, so you can start earning online safely and smartly. Welcome to ABC Hosting, your go-to channel for all things web hosting, website growth, and online earning strategies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our tips and guides. All right, so in this video, we're going to cover exactly how you can make money with an adult website. I'll explain some of the most popular monetization methods, tips to drive traffic, and also the best hosting options to keep your site secure and running smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your site, make it profitable, and protect your content online. Let's start with the core: making money. There are several ways you can monetize an adult website. Subscription models. This is where users pay a recurring fee to access premium content. Platforms like OnlyFans and similar models work on this principle. Affiliate marketing. You can promote adult products, toys, or other adult websites and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral link. Advertising networks. Adult-friendly ad networks pay you for placing ads on your website. CPM or CPC models can generate a steady income if you have high traffic. Selling digital products. You can sell exclusive videos, photos, or ebooks directly on your website. This method is highly profitable if you have unique content. Live cam services. If you're running a live streaming adult website, you can earn money through tips, subscriptions, or private shows. Pay-per-view content. You can charge viewers to unlock special content on a per-video or per-event basis. Of course, no matter how good your monetization strategy is, you need traffic. Here are some tips to get people to your website. Optimize your content for search engines using adult SEO strategies. Use social media platforms and adult-friendly communities to promote your site. Collaborate with other creators or influencers in the adult niche. Offer some free content as a teaser to attract visitors. Now, one of the most critical parts of running an adult website is choosing the right hosting. Not every hosting service allows adult content, and even if they do, content security is a big concern. That's why I highly recommend QloudHost. They provide 100% DMCA Ignored Hosting, which means your content stays safe from takedown notices. Plus, their servers are located in offshore locations, giving you extra privacy and security. Whether you're running videos, live streams, or images, QloudHost ensures your site runs smoothly without interruptions. Check the link in the description to learn more. If you still have any questions or confusion about starting your adult website, monetization strategies, or hosting, comment down below. I'll personally try to help you out. And remember, having the right hosting and content protection is the key to success. QloudHost makes it simple, safe, and professional. So that's it for today's video on how to make money with an adult website. I hope this guide gives you a clear path to start your online adult business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ABC Hosting, and click the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.